Why are you still paying an extra 2.5% every time you cross the border just to use your own money? If you're a Canadian heading to the States, most of our big bank credit cards are actually working against you. They charge a hidden foreign transaction fee on every single purchase, from that Target run to your hotel stay. After years of frequent cross-border trips, I've realized that choosing the right card isn't just about the points, it's about stopping the bleeding of unnecessary fees. The no-FX power players. If you want one card to rule them all, look at the Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite. It is one of the very few premium cards in Canada that waives the $2.5% foreign transaction fee entirely. I use this as my primary travel driver because it also gives you 6 complimentary airport lounge passes. If you're stuck in a terminal in Chicago or LAX, those passes alone pay for the annual fee. For those who prefer the American Express ecosystem, the Scotiabank Gold American Express is the better earner. It also has no foreign transaction fees and earns a massive 6x points at select grocery stores in Canada. However, keep in mind that Amex acceptance in the US is great at major retailers but can be hit or miss at smaller mom-and-pop shops, so I always pair it with a Visa or MasterCard. The no-fee alternatives. If you don't want to deal with a $150 annual fee, the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard is a sleeper hit. While it technically charges the $2.5% fee, it gives you $3% cash back on US dollar purchases if you're a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer. You are essentially netting a $0.5% profit on every US dollar spent. It's a brilliant way to turn a fee into a small win. The Traveler's Secret Strategy. If you really want to optimize, I recommend looking at the EQ Bank Card or Wealthsimple Cash. These aren't traditional credit cards, they're prepaid MasterCards, but they offer the mid-market exchange rate with zero hidden markups. I personally keep an EQ Bank Card in my wallet for US ATM withdrawals. Most Canadian credit cards charge you cash advance interest the second you hit an ATM. With these, you're just withdrawing your own cash at the best possible rate. Which one should you choose? The frequent flyer, Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite, for the lounge access and no FX fees. The budget-conscious, Rogers Red World Elite, for the net positive cash back. The occasional visitor, EQ Bank or Wealthsimple, for simplicity and zero fees. Stop letting the banks take a cut of your vacation before you've even ordered your first meal. Pick a card that respects the exchange rate. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.